European politicians come to an agreement to stop using as much Russian gas so they don't freeze this winter. Maybe there's hope for the continent after all. Coming up here in the Jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:28 here in the middle part of the country on Tuesday. It is July 26, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Starting off here in Europe, we did get a 15% deal on the table from the continent. Let's talk about what that means a little bit. So all of the European countries got together, said we will voluntarily reduce Russian gas consumption by 15% from August through March. That way we share it a little bit more and protect people instead of protecting industries. Now, certain industries like steelmaking that use lots and lots of natural gas are going to be exempted. So we're still going to have some issues for supply, right? LNG cargoes are like $40 a therm, an MMBTU, right? Here in the US, it's going up, but it's not 40, it's like, 8. On a go-forward basis, Europe is working together. That could be a good thing for the global economy, right? If we have additional European cooperation and they are realizing that they have a true energy crisis on their hands and aren't just self-congratulating themselves about green policies, it could be a shift in the way we think about energy going forward, and that could be a very good thing. After all, McDonald's with some earnings this morning, and they just execute. That's what they do. Like 9% worldwide, year over year, same store growth. That's fantastic. Huge numbers. How does McDonald's sell more burgers? They sell billions in the 70s. They just continue to do very well. Total revenue's down a little bit, right? We're no longer counting Russian McDonald's as they got out of Russia because of the war, thing that's dominated headlines for the last 6 months. On a go-forward basis, McDonald's just continues to do very well, even in a tight economy. If we do have a recession, typically plays like McDonald's, plays like Walmart do well as folks just move downstream, right? They stop eating at Applebee's, they go to McDonald's, that sort of thing. They do pretty well. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Tuesday, 3M spinning off its health business. Looks like they're doing a $45 billion valuation. They'll keep a large portion of the company, sell off those shares over time. Again, we've talked about this a number of times. The Wall Street deal machine needs to be fed. In this case, they're pitching divestitures, they're pitching breakups, right? Let's focus on our core competencies, shut off units. When the economic fortunes turn around, it'll be all about mergers and acquisitions and putting companies together. That's the game they play. If you want some additional info throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Till then, hope you and your family have a really good rest of your Tuesday. I am out.